Hi friends, method 1. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, select additional settings, then go down, select backup and reset, then select erase all data. So here we can see reset network settings. This reset network settings will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Tap on this, then tap on reset network settings. Okay, done. If this is not fixing your problem, you can try reset system settings only. Try this option, reset system settings only. Okay, this is the method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, open settings, tap on this settings app icon, then select SIM card and mobile data. Tap here, then select SIM 1 or SIM 2. Let me select SIM 1. Then select access point name. Tap here. So here you can see two dots on top right corner. Tap on that. Then select reset access points. Tap here. Then tap on reset access points. This will delete existing APN and recreate a new working APN. So this is a method 2. Method 3. Open settings app. Tap on this icon. Then select SIM card and mobile data. Then make sure that this mobile data option has enabled. Then go to SIM 1 or SIM 2. Then make sure that this data roaming option has enabled. Then preferred network type should be auto or 4G, 3G, 2G, 5G. Then carrier, this should be auto select. We can also manually select the carrier, that also we can do. So this is the method 3. Method 4, we need to restart the phone. We need to switch off and switch on the phone, then try it. That is the method 4. Method 5, we need to eject and reinsert the SIM card. Then again check the network connection. So that is the method 5.